All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol NKLA, Nikola Corporation. Before I get started, I do want to state there are no emotions involved in these charts. I do not get paid for looking at individual stocks, and I just look at charts and share this with you guys so that we can see what the charts have to say and what they're telling us. So let's get started. The bulls yesterday, they dominated the stock. They certainly did, and then the bears appeared. The Bulls fought for it again, and the Bears tore it down. So there's some key things here that happened today. Before we get more in depth on how this stock ended the day and what we need to look out for tomorrow. This stock went over the resistance point, which was not about $90 from yesterday, which was 1, 2, 3, 4 times. It went over the resistance point. Another thing that happened with this stock, the support level was at $57 and some change. It touched it. It literally touched it. It was not that. It wasn't even just 57. I think it even went a little bit lower to like 56 and some change. And it was so close to falling into bearish grounds that the bulls came, they reappeared, and they tore this stock to the sky again. They brought it back up. It almost hit $90. It hit 89, 88. I mean, it was so shy from hitting 90 and piercing through that resistance point, but they kept it in bullish area. But let's go ahead and zoom in as we can see here. So important thing here, as we saw this line, or actually let me zoom back out so you can look at it. This line will continue to go up with the stock as the stock continues to move in an upward trend or stay above it. That is the 50-day moving average. But there's something very important here. The 50-day moving average is at $65.51, and our support level is $67.88. There's a very small room of uncertainty here because this is still in bullish area as long as it stays above the support level. But as soon as this stock is to get past this support level and the bears are dominating it, all they have to do is go $2 more and they're below the 50-day moving average. And as soon as this stock is below 50-day moving average, you would be looking at a bearish market. I'm not saying that because it will be in a bearish market, it will stay in a bearish market or this stock will be completely destroyed. But a bearish market will take the bulls some effort and teamwork for all of them to gather and rally to bring this stock back up. Another thing that's very important is the resistance level. The resistance level seems to still be pretty close to $90. It's actually going to be this time $89. And until the bulls are able to break through $89 and stay above it, that's when this stock will actually go ahead and create a new resistance level, and the support level will be $89. This market was very incredible today, very interesting. The bulls and the bears completely fighting. We are still in a bullish area, but now very close for the bears to dominate and take over. Not saying that if the bears do dominate and take over, it is going to be bearish and the stock is going to completely plummet. And I'm not saying if the bulls finally tear through this and it stays up here, it's never going to be bearish again and it won't fall throughout the day. There's countless of possibilities in this. The volatility on this one, just between yesterday and today, has been immense. The volumes have been immense. And as you can see, a lot of sell-off here, and then buy, and then sell-off, and this just kind of skyrocketed. We just have to go ahead and see how this one works tomorrow. But some important numbers is $89, I'd tell you, for resistance level, and $67 for somewhere around that area, 67, 68 for support, and it's not that shy away from the 50-day moving average, which is 65. This one's a good one to keep a close eye on, and let's see how this one works out for tomorrow. Thank you for watching.